Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Come Iftar with me season 3. I'm Chef Shazia and today we're making roasted harissa chickpeas on whipped feta on toasted bruschetta. So we're going to start off with the roasted harissa chickpeas, and the ingredients are the chickpeas, the harissa and some olive oil. And to go with it, we're going to have some Greek yogurt and some Greek feta cheese. For the garnish, we've got some lemon and some parsley. For the bruschetta, we are going to use some tiger loaf, which we are going to slice up and pan fry. So here I've got some chickpeas. I'm going to add in some dry roasted harissa powder and some olive oil and give it a good mix. So here I've used a can of chickpeas, but alternatively you could use dry chickpeas that you could pre-boil. So you want to cover the chickpeas quite well with the harissa and the olive oil. So making sure that each chickpea is covered with this lovely mixture. Once the chickpeas have been mixed well with the olive oil and the harissa, they are then put onto a baking tray. It's nice to actually spread them about. And now you pop them into the oven at 220 degrees for 20 minutes. We are now going to make the whipped feta. So I've got some feta cheese over here and some full-fat Greek yogurt, and they're going to get whisked up into the liquidizer. The Greek feta gets added into the liquidizer and the Greek yogurt gets added on top. Put the lid on and give it a good blitz. If the consistency is too thick, then add in some liquid and give it another whip. The whipped feta is now done, and all you do is pour it into a dish. Slightly drier than a fresh loaf. Over here, I've got my frying pan that I've just put some olive oil on top. I'm going to dry fry these slices of bread on here. Once the oil has heated up, you're going to put your bread onto the frying pan. Alternatively, you could put the slices of bread into the oven or grill. Dry frying bread happens very quickly, but before you actually flip over, you want to spray the bread with some olive oil. As you can see, a lovely golden color has been made. The bruschetta slices have got a lovely golden color and now are done. And it's best to serve them on a nice board that you can share with everyone later on. While the roasted harissa chickpeas are cooling down, I'm now going to zest some lemon and I'm going to chop up some parsley. The parsley adds so much flavor to this dish. Chop the parsley as fine as possible, and this adds so much flavor to the dish. It's now finally time to compile these dishes. So the first thing is you're going to take your whipped feta and put it over the toast. So this lovely salty whipped feta coats the bruschetta. I'm now going to pile it up with some chickpeas. The parsley goes on top. And the zest of the lemon. The chickpeas are a lovely crispy layer that goes really, really well with this. I'm going to garnish it with some more parsley. And the best way to finish this dish is with a squeeze of lemon. So here we have roasted harissa chickpeas on whipped feta and toasted olive oil bruschetta. It is filling, it's got protein, and it's just the perfect sustenance you need at the end of a long fast.